guys, Greg Wartko with GreenIndustryPros.com here at the GIE Expo in Louisville. Will from Missouri just tried out the Country Clipper Defender 72-inch ZTR. A little different though than maybe what you're used to running. It has one joystick. What do you think of it?
It's definitely going to take some getting used to.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're used to running more traditional zero turns with the two joysticks.
Yeah.
It sounds like you operate a stand-on mower as well, but handle-wise, I mean, it's a little bit different, but did it feel like a pretty good machine? If you got used to it, it'd be a good machine for you?
Definitely.
Yeah.
While the single right-handed joystick on Country Clipper zero turns could take some getting used to, it can also come in really handy for efficiency-minded contractors like Rocky, who can now take care of two critical tasks at the same time when out on demanding mowing jobs.